Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. We're on a sunny Friday morning. And it's good. It's a good day. I'm thinking about getting into bikes and biking, even if it's from a commuting point. You know, it's worth thinking about. It's cheap and it's fun and it's summer. There's nothing more fun than riding a bike about in the sunshine. Cost involved, pretty minimal really, I suppose. You want to do your CVT, which is about £100, £125-ish. You want to get yourself a helmet. You don't have to get anything too flash. You know, you can get them from anywhere from 60 quid to 150 will probably do you, 100 or 200, and you get a decent one. Basic gear, you know, you can go as cheap as you want with gear. You can go on eBay and find a set of gear like trousers and a jacket for 60 quid pair if you want it. There's boots you can get for like £40 on eBay, cheap stuff like unbranded, whatever. Something to consider. Or you go a bit nicer and treat yourself to something a bit more, you know, long lasting and nice. You're going to be doing it for a lot, you know, if you're putting a lot of miles in, it might be worth it. Set aside, say, 300 quid for gear, I would say, as a safe bet to do, you know, try and get a cheap set of everything. But you can go basics. You can just get a jacket, helmet, gloves, and some boots maybe. It's a good place to start. Yeah, be a good place to start. And then from there, obviously, there's the most expensive part, which is getting the bike itself, and that's all down to personal budget and preference. And then another expensive item you might want to consider is insurance. Insurance on a bike isn't cheap, for young new riders especially. I think they wanted about £1,000 for my Honda 125, an XR, which is ridiculous because it's got like 10 horsepower. And I was 23 at the time, so it wasn't exactly, you know, it wasn't young. I can't imagine how much these like 17-year-olds on 125s pay. It must be outrageously expensive for these young riders on 125s. I ended up just going third party only and risking it because it was so much cheaper. It was only about £300 for the year, and I was on a very tight budget. Which, you know, is something to consider if you don't mind risking losing your bike. If you crash, full comp insurance is a good idea because then it gives you your money back for your bike if you don't mind, you know, paying a little bit more. It gives you that peace of mind. If you crash it, you're not totally screwed. I'd say a bike, probably your first bike should be what, £2 max, I'd say. Because inevitably things could go wrong. You could break it a little bit. So that's about £3.5 I would say. Startup cost, full kit startup, pretty much. So if you don't mind skimping on the gear, basically, I'd say push it up to 4 if you want to get really nice, you know, if you want to get some decent gear. And obviously the more expensive bike you get, your insurance is gonna go up accordingly. early today. Good excuse to clean my bike, I think. Thanks for tuning in to Moto POV, Daily Rider. I appreciate you. Hope you enjoy your weekend. I'm sure I'll have some content coming up, because I've got a bit of a ride out on Sunday, I think, planned. There'll be 2 up, so it won't be anything too crazy, but something a bit different. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done it already. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.